11 Tamil movie summary in English. The film begins with a serial killer setting ablaze a lifeless body on a desolate street. As the murders continue, the death toll reaches 6, and ACP Ranjit Kumar is initially assigned to the case. However, after Ranjit gets into a coma due to a road accident, the case is handed over to ACP Arvindan, a brilliant and resolute officer, who had recently apprehended a finance robbery team led by Dhiran. Arvindan, along with Sub-Inspector Manoharan, a cardiac patient and a single father, starts investigating the serial killings. Meanwhile, Sanjana, who had mistakenly met Arvindan thinking he was her prospective groom, falls in love with him, but Arvindan doesn't reciprocate her feelings. Arvindan discovers a crucial piece of evidence, an ankle surgery plate in one of the victims, which helps them shortlist 7 individuals based on age. One of the suspects is Sudhakar, who has a history of ankle surgery. Next, Arvindan meets Meera, the twin sister of one of the victims. Meera's connection to Twin Birds School, where a similar photograph is found in Sudhakar's house, hints at a deeper connection between the suspects and victims. During the interrogation, Sudhakar and Meera reveal a shocking truth. They are Surinder and Tara, who impersonated their identical twins, Sudhakar and Meera, respectively. They explain that their twins went missing, and they received a video call from a masked assailant who kidnapped them and forced them to kill a person with a covered face. The twins were threatened that if they refused to kill, their respective siblings would be killed. To save their siblings, they committed the murders. However, they later discovered that they had unknowingly killed their own twins, whose faces were covered during the act. To evade police investigation, Surinder and Tara assumed the identities of Sudhakar and Meera. Arvindan learns that the only connection between the twins is their school, Twin Birds Matriculation School. Surinder and Tara suspect that their classmate, Benjamin, might be behind the sinister plot, forcing them to commit fratricide. Arvindan decides to meet the school's correspondent, Shanti, to uncover more information about the twins' past and potential connections to Benjamin. Shanti and her husband Ravi adopted twin brothers, Benjamin and Francis, impressed by Benjamin's chess talent. The brothers were raised at their school, Twin Birds Matriculation School. Benjamin turns into a chess prodigy, bringing laurels to school, and Francis becomes a topper in studies, which envies their fellow students. Tragedy struck when Francis, who suffered from nyctophobia, was mocked by his classmates and locked in a dark chemistry lab. This led to a fatal epileptic seizure. Benjamin, who was in the physics lab, couldn't rescue his brother. After Francis' death, Benjamin was cared for by Mother Helen and later adopted by an unknown family. Shanti reveals that her husband kept Francis' death a secret to protect the school's reputation. However, the school was later destroyed in a fire, and Ravi died due to excessive drinking. Arvindan obtains the records of the classmates and discovers that Benjamin is targeting twins on their birthdays. The remaining twins, Sanjana and Anjana, and Dhiran and Dheeraj are potential targets. Arvindan takes immediate action to safeguard Sanjana and Anjana, especially since Dhiran and Dheeraj are unreachable. Sanjana, who has feelings for Arvindan, is unaware of the danger looming over her. The investigation takes a turn when Arvindan discovers the charred corpse of Dhiran. Meanwhile, Ranjit Kumar, who was initially investigating the case, reveals that his coma was due to a pre-planned murder attempt. He also reveals that the killer rescued him and placed him near the hospital. Arvindan learns from Shanti that Benjamin visits Francis' cemetery every year on the latter's death anniversary. Arvindan rushes to the cemetery and discovers that Manohar is Benjamin in disguise. After an intense chase, Arvindan loses Benjamin and rushes to protect Anjana and Sanjana, but gets beaten by Manohar. When Arvindan wakes up, he finds that Benjamin has kidnapped Anjana. A fight ensues, and Arvindan hands over his gun to Sanjana to stop Benjamin from killing Anjana. However, Sanjana ends up shooting her twin sister, Anjana, believing Arvindan's instructions. The truth is revealed that Arvindan is the real Benjamin, who has been planning his revenge against his classmates responsible for Francis' death. Benjamin surrenders to Ranjit Kumar, who recognizes him as the killer using his lighter box. Benjamin confesses to Ranjit Kumar that he had pursued an IPS career to avenge his brother Francis' death by killing the Pattu twins who were responsible. He also reveals that he planned a road accident to distract Ranjit and to take over the case, and had also threatened to kill Manohar's son and made him act as Benjamin to protect himself while killing Anjana. Benjamin, aka Arvindan, is sentenced to death for his crimes. Soon, Ranjit is shocked to learn that Benjamin had cleverly burned an unknown corpse and claimed it as Dhiran, and also voluntarily revealed him as the killer to Ranjit, so that he gets closer to Dhiran, whom he had arrested in the finance robbery case without knowing Dhiran's true identity. Before Ranjit Kumar and Manohar can safeguard Dhiran, Benjamin kills him in prison, fulfilling his revenge. In a shocking twist, Benjamin takes brain-dead pills and dies, but not before donating his heart to Manohar. Manohar fulfills Benjamin's last wish by burying him near Francis' grave.